Alright, so you guys may not know this about me, but I have a very big sensitivity to noises because I'm autistic, and for a while I was actually scared of the voices on the weather radio, like certain things that they would say, like rest of tonight, back when we still had the old voice, which was Tom, um, and there's a one specific video that I'm going to be reacting to today that pretty much combines all of that into one video that I am still freaked out by to this day. I've been meaning to do this video for a very long time. I wanted to get someone to do it with me, but I figured why not do it now just because. So, when I was little and the emergency alert system would come up on the TV, I believe it was a green screen. This would be back in '07 or '06 even. I would just be going like, turn that off, turn it off. And then the Amber alerts came out for, well, the emergency alerts came out for the iPhones, and, I would hear that. And then one time it just went off like 4 times on my dad's phone in the car, and I kept telling him, turn that off. And then the May 23rd, 2015 flood and tornado event down here really sparked an interest in weather and the emergency alert system. And, with that hobby, I started collecting weather radios and, recording alerts, and it's brought me a lot of joy. It's also brought me a lot of fear. And, with me being autistic, it makes it to where sometimes the alert is scarier than what's going on. Just like, the fire alarm going off during a fire drill. It's much more scary than a fire would ever possibly scare me to. The point of just like, completely freaking out. So, anyway, let's go ahead and look for this video. Whoops. Oh well. Oh man. I'm regretting this already. Look at that. Like, does that not scare you? Ooh. Just the way, like, the background ambient sound, it's just absolutely terrifying. This video scared me for a while too. I couldn't watch this one back in 2015. It scared me so much. That's where I was just like, ugh. But I'm gonna watch this. It's about 1 a.m. It's a quarter to 1. And my room is pretty dark. So, why not? We're just gonna go ahead and get right into this.
A tornado warning remains in effect for northern St. Louis
I'm already
and St.
getting
Charles
goosebumps,
counties
y'all.
until 8:15 p.m. At 8:06 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Harvester and moving east at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation.
Oh my god.
Damage has been reported just south of Harvester to homes and numerous trees. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado.
This is
A
gnarly.
tornado
Oh
has
my
been
god, I
confirmed by
feel it on the
trained
back of my
spotters.
head.
Damage has been reported just south of Harvester to homes and numerous trees. The following
It doesn't
impacts
matter
are
how many times I
expected.
watch
You are
this,
in a
I still
life-threatening
have the same
situation.
reaction.
Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely.
It doesn't matter how many times I watch this video, I'm going to have the same reaction. I'm going to get freaked out the same amount. Like, it's just, this is one of the scariest videos on YouTube right here. Like, no joke, okay? Like the fade in the background, it's just, oh man, it's terrifying. And I'm getting shaken up just watching this, but let's continue.
And complete destruction possible. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Expect trees to be uprooted or snapped. Locations impacted include Bridgeton, Olivet, St. Anne, Overland, Hazelwood, Lambert Field, Woodson Terrace, Berkeley, Florissant, Kinloch, St. John, Belridge, Ferguson, Cool Valley, Elwood, Normandy, Northwoods, Jennings, University City, and Hillsdale. This warning includes Babler Memorial State Park and First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: St. Charles and St. Louis.
Oh my god, stop it. Stop right now. Oh god. This is a bit much for me to take this in. Can't believe I'm doing this to myself again. Ooh. Probably gonna have to sleep the lights on tonight.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for western Madison County, northeastern St. Charles County, northeastern St. Louis County, northern St. Louis City, and east central Missouri until 8:45 p.m. At 8:06 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near St. Charles and moving east at 50 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction possible. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Expect trees to be uprooted or snapped. Locations impacted include Creve Coeur, Bridgeton, Olivet, St. Anne, Overland, Lambert Field, Woodson Terrace, University City, St. John, Hazelwood, Belridge, Berkeley, Kinloch, Normandy, Cool Valley, Hills.
If I didn't have my radio on over there, this would be a lot worse. And if my printer wasn't running, it would be even worse. Like, oh my god, I would probably pass out. Like, I'm not even joking, I probably would. Like, this is terrifying for me. Like, I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that, but it really is terrifying.
Hillsdale, Florissant, Northwoods, Ferguson, and Delwood. This warning includes Confluence State Park, First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site, and Horseshoe Lake State Park. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground.
Oh my god.
To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: St. Charles and St. Louis, and Madison County, Illinois, and the Missouri Independent City of St. Louis.
Alright, I'm sorry, I can't do it. Oh man. See, why does that screen look so terrifying? Like, it's not even the right font. It looks absolutely terrifying. Now, there's one that happened very close to me. That someone happened to get the audio for. Frankie Show 64. Definitely go check him out. This one is pretty terrifying. This happened to a city about 30 miles southeast of me, and the tornado ended up being an EF0. But let's give this one a listen. reason that it sounds so scary is because they do it on purpose so that people will like be like, okay, okay, let's definitely pay attention to this. And because, the sounds are to get your attention, and, the voice is intended to be scary. But, the new voice, which is the BMH voice, it doesn't do any of that really. I mean, it can be to a degree, but it's nothing compared to the old voice. Ooh.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Gonzales County, northeastern Wilson County, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Pandora, or near Stockdale, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-indicated rotation and a tornadic debris signature. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed.
Yo, I'm freaking
Considerable
out at this
damage
one.
to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Pandora around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Nixon around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Smiley around 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is developing. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. Like, seriously. I don't know what this was, but I guess there's a video for you. And, yeah, I am very terrified of the emergency alert system screen and the old voice. So, yeah, I don't know why I did this to myself. But I'm definitely gonna have, some trouble falling asleep with low lights in here tonight. But that'll be all for now. Hope y'all enjoyed. If so, press the like button, leave a comment. I love hearing what y'all have to say. I'll talk to y'all soon.